Least aesthetic bathroom clean out ever. Oh my gosh. Really embarrassing. Here's our stuff. This seems excessive. Yeah, this is not closing. A nice deep clean. We love a clean mirror. Disco girl. Ah, she's kind of cute. I don't even know what this is. No, this is excessive. Oh, we're gonna wear this one. It's so cute. Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia. If you're not new here, you know that we've been doing lots of clean out, declutter, getting rid of stuff sort of content in preparation for me leaving for college. So far, we've done my closet, my entire room, like all of my storage, my dresser, and now today we are doing my bathroom. This is going to be probably the most, This is gonna be the most overdue task so far. I have not gone through our bathroom probably since we moved here like 3 years ago. So there's gonna be a lot. We're gonna have a lot to get rid of, which is great. That'll help me know exactly what to pack for college. So I hope as you watch this, this inspires you. Maybe you're watching it as you clean out your bathroom. That'd be kind of cool. But if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Liking it lets me know what kind of content you want to see, and subscribing means you'll get to see more of it. And for everyone that just did that, I really appreciate you. Without further ado, let's head over to the bathroom. Okay, so sorry about the acoustics in here, just a warning. Changed into shorts to get us kind of hyped up, so we're feeling like cleaning. I'm thinking the first thing will be going through my jewelry box because it's so full it can't even close. Oh my gosh. And then we'll go through skincare and products. Makeup is in here. This is mostly hair stuff and like random stuff. A lot of these are actually giveaways or gifts for other people or like special things that I'm not sure what to do with yet. And then in here is a problem. Then after we've gone through all of our stuff, I'm gonna do a nice deep clean of everything. I'm gonna clean that mirror, clean everything in here, wipe down the drawers, wipe down the toilet and the shower, all that stuff. And then it'll be nice and reset. I think we're gonna have a lot to get rid of. So let's get started on the jewelry box. All the necklaces in this top part. That's all right, there's one more. Of course, it's tangled around everything. Cute. So, yeah, I didn't even know about like half of these. I had totally forgotten about them. So I'll just sort through them. I'll show you the ones that I am keeping. Actually, before I do that, I think we should get us a little giveaway bag. Okay, real quick, wanted to say a huge thank you to Magic Mind for sending me some products. I wanted to do a little unboxing and try them out for you guys. Magic Mind is a super cool company. It's the world's first productivity shot. Rather than just caffeine, it's infused with so many good ingredients to help you focus and have this sustained energy rather than just the crash that caffeine gives you. Okay, first impression comes in this adorable little box. It says matcha, nootropics, adaptogens, immunity, and flow state awaits you. Drink daily for a sharper mind, steady energy, and less stress. So without further ado, let's give her a try. Just so you know, I've literally never tried this before. This is my honest first impression. I'm scared. Do I just shot it? Do I sip it? I think I'm gonna sip it. Oh my gosh. Wait, why is that really good? That's such a unique flavor. What? It almost tastes like pineapple. So it has matcha green tea, which I am not a matcha fan. If you know me, you know that I think matcha tastes like grass. Organic agave, natural flavors, and mushroom extract. And then in the patented blend, it has a bunch of other things with the health benefits that I mentioned earlier. It says subtly sweet, which made me think I wouldn't like it very much, but I really like this. Okay, this little bottle is so cute too. I just want to keep these. I'm going to be giving you guys updates on how I feel this is working. If it increases my focus, boosts my creativity, just overall makes me feel good. And I have 15 bottles. I'm gonna drink them 15 days in a row and let you know how I'm feeling. First impression, I'm impressed. See you in the next one. Okay, I found this in a drawer. We're gonna use this to put jewelry in. It may get tangled again. That's okay. Some necklaces to give away. That was pretty quick. And here are the ones we are keeping. Some of them are kind of tarnished, but that's okay. I still like them and I'll still wear them. I'm gonna put these to the side and we'll find a nice way to organize them. Okay, next one is definitely earrings, which is gonna be a lot. These hoops though. pretty sure I made these. So sad I lost the other one of this. Honestly, I think I'm gonna start going straight into the bag just to make it more efficient, because so far this is all we're keeping. We're gonna put the jewelry in this little bag, this little Ipsy bag, because I'm also getting rid of this. We also have like a lot of cuffs and stuff that we're putting in here, just random ones that I don't really use anymore. So we only really kept this little bit, because that's all I ever wear. I don't ever wear earrings that much, honestly. So I got rid of this much in earrings. And I know there's more underneath here, so we're gonna open it up and see. For now, I'll just put the earrings to the side. See, this is where we have like too many bags and packages and stuff. Oh my gosh. Bro, I lift up all the Elevated Faith bags and find even more necklaces. Dude. I think I got these from like a thrift store in Hawaii. Why? Why did I get them? Actually, can we make this work? Probably not. While we're in here, I guess we're going through bracelets. This has got to be like the least aesthetic bathroom clean out ever. Ooh, do I keep it? Go back to my Visco girl. I'm gonna keep it. Great, we still have stuff in the bags. My friend made this. Isn't that like incredible? Also, this was really cute until the smiley faces turned black, because they used to be gold. But I still do like it. Okay, these are the rings that fit and I wear sometimes. Goes back in here. And that means these are the rings that don't fit. Ooh, more string bracelets. Oh, and more string bracelets, I guess. Bracelets. Oh gosh. Oh, we're gonna wear this one. So this is some jewelry I got from an old collaboration. I don't know why I picked these. Okay, jewelry box is empty and everything's divided. It kind of hurts my soul that these are probably just getting tangled again right now, but I did not have like a pegboard or anything. So these are our giveaways. I'm gonna go through these bracelets and choose which ones I'm gonna wear still, and then keeping those. And here's the best part, everything I'm keeping is gonna go in here. It was a Christmas gift from my mom and I think we can make it fit. We might have a couple bags on the side though. How it fits in there. I feel like there's definitely a better way to do it, but there's not a lot to get tangled, so it's so cute. Okay, so I'll take this to college. I'm just gonna tuck these in another Elevated Faith bag. I like these for variety and to give as gifts to people. This has my other bracelets, and this has my rings. Then we have these two extra bags that I can also use to give people jewelry and stuff. Or I can use these for traveling with jewelry. This is the final result of our giveaway necklaces and bracelets. And here we have lots of earrings and rings, I think. Okay, we are now moving on to a big one, which is makeup. I'm thinking I just put all of the stuff on the counter that I actually use, and then we'll go through the stuff that I don't actually use and decide if it's worth keeping, including bags. And I'm making a separate pile over here of things that I'm going to try out, see if they're empty or still working, whatever it is, and if they are, then we're getting rid of them. Honestly, it's mostly things that I already know are empty. Oh my gosh, and all my lip glosses too. This is excessive. This is actually really funny how I had to open all of them and put them on my lips so I couldn't give any of them away. We're gonna keep our little EOS collection. Who knows where I even got these. Okay, here's our stuff. This is our keeping, because we either use it or we're about to use it. This is our maybe, need to try it out, some new stuff. And then these are our get rid ofs. Also keeping these bags. So I'm gonna bag them up into the daily use and then like the special event kind of use. Actually, since I'm not leaving it, this is the little tray I've been using for all my daily use stuff. So we're just gonna clean this up and leave this here until it's finally time to pack. Stay tuned for that video. Pretty sure this is everything we use on a daily basis. Now I think I'm gonna put in bags the things that I use a little less often but I still use. Sweet, and then I'm gonna keep these bags. I think we might be good to get rid of the rest of it. Look at her, she's kind of cute. Just looking snazzy. And then here's our giveaways. Also, since I'm already getting rid of some bags, I'm thinking I pull out the bags from here that I'm getting rid of and just kind of add them to our little giveaway pile. Since we're here, we might as well skip drawers and just grab out a few other giveaways from in here. I don't even know what this is. We're just gonna actually go through everything in this drawer, I guess. Start using this. I don't even know how long I've had this. I can still remember how it smells. Okay, so in here we have items that I'll probably sell at our little garage sale. Things that I wouldn't give as gifts to people, but I want to get rid of. So in these little bags, I'll probably put things that I can still give to people. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. See if we can get this to zip. Yeah, this is not closing. Ah, no! Well, we did it. Okay, these go in the little garage sale bag. And then these things we will put in our little giveaway bins. Okay, instead of putting them in my giveaway bin, I actually moved some things from my giveaway bin into here. This is now our bathroom giveaways. We kind of skipped the middle bin, so let's go get it. That's where this is. I was looking for this. So here's the pile of stuff we're keeping, but I just kind of went along and put things in there as I went. So I'm going to put all this back. And yes, I am keeping all my clips. Okay, I know it doesn't look great, but it feels more organized. We got our blow dryer and curler in the back. Got all of those clips over there. Brush, travel stuff, headbands, and washcloths. Honestly, I feel like this is gonna be really embarrassing going through everything. Guys, I'm gonna be so for real with you right now. I do not feel like doing this at all. Ugh, it's horrible. It's okay, a lot to get rid of. Okay, so I'm thinking I break it down and do the scrunchie bin first. Even this one bin is not organized though. There's so much stuff in it. Sorted through and transferred. You know what? Let's just pull out everything. Okay, so this is a bit much. I'm just gonna sort through it, choose some as gifts. No, there's more bracelets. Okay, I feel like this seems excessive, but this is what we're keeping. I'll just try to get through it before I leave, honestly. And the scrunchies. I think I'll just zip through this real quick. Okay, here's some of our keep cheaper items, pretty much just because I know I'm going to use them at some point. There's no reason to get rid of them. Now we need to go in there. So in here is a lot of hair supplies, and I don't know the last time I went through it. It's going to be a nice little surprise to see if maybe I went through it recently. So on the top we have these cute little spirals. Oh gosh, most likely not recent. Little hair clips and accessories, and then hair ties. Okay, I think this is looking a little better. Hey guys, it is now a couple days later actually. Here's the cleaning fit, and we've tidied everything up. This is just the stuff I'm using on a daily basis, and the rest of it is... Okay, anyways, now I'm gonna grab all of the cleaning stuff. I'm gonna start by doing the mirror because I have to like step onto the counter to do that. I'm gonna wipe down the counter. I already wiped down the inside of all the drawers. Gonna clean the toilet, wipe everything down, and vacuum the ground and the rug. Just put everything back in its proper place. And then I think we'll be done. Very excited. This bathroom needs to be cleaned. So I'll probably show you a little bit of the cleaning, but I'll mostly show you the after. And we definitely need some hype music while we're cleaning, or else I'm not gonna get through it. Let's go. Here's the final result of the bathroom. We love a clean mirror and clean floors, and I love knowing that all my drawers are nicely organized. Okay, so I think that is about it. Our bathroom is clean, organized. I feel like I know what I'm gonna bring to college. I love how easily my drawers open and close now. Like, doing my makeup the past couple days in between organizing and cleaning was so easy because everything was just right there for me. So overall, I'm really glad I did this. I like my bathroom now, and I feel good about filming in it too. So I hope this inspired you or encouraged you. If you're looking for some motivation, I appreciate every single one of you watching this, and I hope you stick around for more. There's lots of exciting college content coming up, so go have a great day. Remember, Jesus loves you so, so much. Bye guys.
Uptown, on the road, I've been around the floor, rooftops, sliding doors, just wanna know you more.